Hey, fellas, how y'all doing this morning?
Oh, look what we got over here.
Let's get him, boss.
Oh, shit.
Can you believe this thing came from a wolf?
God.
Come on, let's kick his ass.
Yeah, get him, Marty.
You guys mind actually getting off the property, please?
What are you gonna do about it, Beverly Hills Chihuahua?
I think those turkeys were expecting me to tuck my tail and run as usual, but my dad always said a good guard dog, he barks loud and he bites hard, so that's what I try to live by. It doesn't matter if you're a small dog, you can be a guard dog too, and I'm looking forward to Thanksgiving this year.